Hi, this is Michael Fuller. I'm the owner of Woodlands Home Theater. We are a custom integration company based out of the Woodlands, San Antonio, and Austin area. If you are interested in any type of home theater, outdoor audio, audio video, anything related to home theater, please reach out. So today we're going to showcase Costal Source outdoor audio. This is the 10.03 Bollard speaker. It's one of their higher end type models where from here to the bottom you will actually be buried into the ground. This is your subwoofer and this is your satellite speaker. You can actually keep this above the ground. You don't have to bury it, but I think better looking. Most of our customers choose to bury it in the ground. Moving over here, we have a subwoofer. This is their 14.0 subwoofer. Again, buried into the ground. This portion is out. You don't need the subwoofer, but it actually makes the system. Any of the systems that we have sold, we've always sold the subwoofer. And to the other side of the speaker, or the other side of the system, we have, again, the other 10.03 Bollard speaker. Again, in the ground, subwoofer, satellite. The satellite doesn't have to be attached. You can actually remove it. I don't suggest it. You know, most of our clients already, we bury them into the ground. And again, if you want a amphitheater type sound, it's using these speakers. And to power all of this, we have an outdoor, this is a demo amp. But they have all-weather amplifiers, or actually an indoor. If you have the ability to do the wiring and we can run it inside, we can do an indoor amp that would just fit into your rack. Otherwise, this is attached to the outside of the house. Not this particular one, this is our demo amplifier. It's 1200 watts. Yours would look different, but relatively the same. It would run the system that we're showing here. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'll put the link to our website and our contact information in the description, and we thank you. Pretty well.
Let's do it again.
I'm not doing it again.